Hey folks, another cloudy day across the valley today. Some breaks this evening. Some of you got to see a nice sunset out there, especially in the upper valley, but the clouds are going to fill back in. Now radar has been relatively quiet. Certainly the last hour there's not been anything on there except offshore. A couple of sprinkles earlier today, but not much more than that. But let's look at the bigger picture, and here's where the action's going to be tomorrow. Basically Corpus Christi back to just north of Laredo, all the way up to near Dallas to the eastern border of Texas and into Louisiana. That whole area under a flash flood watch because there's potential for a whole bunch of rain, especially in the area kind of north of Houston. 5 inches plus is what's in the forecast for that area. For us, a whole lot less, but probably a couple of showers and maybe a thunderstorm. But the big rain certainly stays to our north where the clouds have already thickened up. Now we look at the big picture, and as we've been talking about all week, all that moisture from the Pacific moving into South Texas in the upper atmosphere, and the strong southerly wind here today bringing an awful lot of warm moist air into the state here at the ground as well. And that combination is going to work with a cool front and the upper air disturbance all coming together in one of those weekends or one of those periods, about a 24-hour period, maybe 36 hours, when there could be some serious rainfall right in the middle part of the state. Now if you look down here, this is 4 o'clock in the morning. We don't see much here. North of us we see a lot. So if you have travel plans, San Antonio, Austin, Houston, Dallas, you're going to get wet and it could be heavy. There's potential for flooding rainfall. There's also potential for some severe weather. Isolated but severe thunderstorms, perhaps even an isolated tornado up here, not down here. For us, I think we're for the most part on the south edge looking up at it. Notice the edge of the rain is right here. South of us we may not get much of anything. North of us are going to get a lot. So we'll probably get a little, but not nearly as much as they get up north. This is through midnight tomorrow night, Saturday morning. Look at the heavy rain from Laredo to San Antonio. More of it in East Texas. In the meantime, the front keeps pushing southward. I think when the front comes in, we got a shot at a thunderstorm then. That's pre-dawn probably on Saturday. So during the daytime tomorrow, scattered showers perhaps, and then tomorrow night into early Saturday, a thunderstorm perhaps with the front. But look at the panhandle, snow and ice down to Midland and even south of Amarillo, some snowfall as this system continues to push through. Eventually it gets out of Texas, not Saturday afternoon, but by Saturday night it's almost gone and we get drier air building in because that upper level wind flow shifts and starts coming out of the northwest. So surface winds northwest, upper level winds northwest, we dry out. Sunshine for Sunday, Monday, probably Tuesday as well. But again, for Friday, especially Friday north of us into early Saturday. It's going to get messy up here, so just keep that in mind if you're going northward out of the valley. Locally, again, you look, scattered showers. We don't expect big stuff here, spotty showers, and then we get a break Friday night, and then here comes the front. Showers, perhaps a thunderstorm when it comes through. Clouds linger into Saturday morning. Maybe a second push of showers midday Saturday. Models are hinting at this now, and then we dry out. The clouds break by Saturday night, and by Sunday, we're back to sunshine again. So Saturday is kind of the transition day behind the front. So we're looking at scattered storms, showers tomorrow, about a 50% probability. Some people may get nothing tomorrow. It's going to be one of those days. And then morning showers, maybe noon and earlier on Saturday. And then Sunday looks like it'll be dry. Temperature-wise, right now we're still in the 70s, 80 still in Rio Grande City. A little cooler at the coast, 72 in Port Isabel. Overnight lows tonight, about 70 or so. About a 30% probability of a passing shower tonight. Chance goes to 50% tomorrow, even though we're still able to warm up to 80. The normal high, 74. We'll be above that, and then we'll drop below behind the front. 69 on Saturday, 61 degrees on Sunday. Here's a look at that travel map for tomorrow. 7 o'clock in the morning, big time rain in the middle of Texas. And look at the contrast. Amarillo's 27, Brownsville 71. That's why you got big stuff happening right in the middle. Big contrast right in the middle of the state. Dallas is 46. By middle of the afternoon, this is 4 o'clock, we're in the 70s. It's still in the 30s across north and west Texas. Dallas is 46, San Antonio 53. So take your rain gear, take a coat. It's going to be cold if you're headed north of the valley the next couple of days. Here at the coast, here's what's happening. Winds out of the southeast 15 to 20. A choppy bay, probably kicking up to rough. Spotty storms, a moderate risk of rip currents. So for tonight, 71, spotty showers. Keyword there, spotty. Not everybody gets rained on tonight or tomorrow. But if you get something tomorrow, there could be a rumble of thunder mixed in, but it's not everybody into the pool. It's not everybody gets rain, but a few folks will. I think the stuff's mainly the first half of the day Saturday. By the end of the day, we see some sunshine, maybe, certainly clearing out overnight. Sunday, then we're sunny and cool. Look at the highs, 61, 62, 69. By the end of next week, spotty showers show up once again in the forecast. So rain, a possibility, but going northbound, it could be more than thunder.